I think of health inequalities not as some extra issue when we're thinking about health of the population, but it is the issue when we think about health of the population. If we could bring everybody's health up to the level of the people with the most education or living in the best areas, we could probably prevent about half the premature deaths that occur. That's enormous, absolutely enormous.
Well, it's always a really good opportunity when we have global figures like Sir Michael coming to tell us about the current developments around health inequalities. We know that in Wales we have deep-rooted health inequalities, and we're trying very hard to address those.
Well, really it's about perspective from us within Wales, is that we have to have that international perspective, and being, having these type of facilities and the reputation that the Life Science Hub is now building with the Bevan Commission, and being able to attract this calibre of speaker.
But through collaboration with other sectors, we can really make a difference. So it really puts an onus on working across different sectors. And I see the Life Science Hub as the ability to bring that together.
And by using people like Michael, and by talking about things that are not just relating to the delivery of healthcare, but are probably addressing the issues which, when we discussed with the First Minister this morning, he wanted us to look at, not just the delivery of healthcare, but the health of the people of Wales in general.
So I was absolutely delighted today to see the breadth of industry that we had join us, who were keen to learn and understand about health inequalities, and to really get a sense of, the depth of the problems right across our societies.
The connections that the Life Sciences Hub clearly has is vital in addressing the issues and bringing together a wide range of players, both industry and public sector, and I think that was apparent in the audience today.